Properly preparing your vehicle for installation is crucial for best results. Let's quickly review the installation tools included in the box. Let's begin. Step 1. Wash the entire vehicle to remove as much exterior debris as possible. Then, move the vehicle to a climate-controlled space. We recommend installing in an enclosed, clean environment away from high-traffic areas. Turn off all fans or airflow sources to minimize airborne debris. Place a clean, lint-free hood cover or tarp over the hood of the vehicle and place your installation tools within easy reach. Step 2. Spray and squeegee the windshield. Repeat, spray and squeegee. Step 3. Spray the windshield and use the scrub pad to remove any stubborn debris. Focus on the edges and seams. Squeegee. Continue to spray and squeegee away all remaining liquid. Step 4. With a lint-free paper towel, spray and wipe down the entire windshield, including edges and seams. Step 5. Inspect the windshield and repeat steps as needed to get a clean, debris-free surface. Watch the step-by-step installation video for what to do next.